Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix an IRS refund delay and what steps you should take to resolve it quickly. First, check your refund status on the IRS Where's My Refund tool to see the current stage of your return. If it shows delayed, look for messages like review, processing, or verification needed. Common reasons include incorrect banking details, errors in your tax return, or identity verification checks. Next, review your filed return carefully for mistakes in Social Security numbers, income, or deductions. If the IRS requests identity verification, respond immediately using the online ID verification system or the letter instructions. You can also check your tax transcript on irs.gov to see if anything is holding your refund. If the delay continues beyond normal processing time, contact the IRS directly for assistance. Always keep your filing documents ready and ensure your information matches IRS records exactly to prevent further delays. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.